Thank you for joining us for a quick tour of Cricut Joy. This smart machine makes it easy to quickly create stickers, greeting cards, personalized apparel, labels, and more. Yes, it's really this small, and it sets up instantly. You can operate Cricut Joy using your phone, tablet, or laptop. Just connect with Bluetooth and go. The blade cuts intricate shapes in more than 50 materials, and special pens can draw lettering or designs as well. Depending on the project, you can use Cricut's new smart materials, which don't require a cutting mat. Once the cut or drawing is finished, simply remove from the machine and personalize. Cricut Joy can cut any image. Pick from thousands of images or design your own. Just load the material and go. Cricut Joy measures and cuts while you tend to other matters. Thanks for watching.